Honda's subcompact is better than ever. Honda's Fit has been revised for 2018, but it remains one of the most entertaining cars you can buy with a subcompact hatchback form factor. And the fun factor is amped up still more when the sport trim and Honda factory performance kit are in play, as was the case with our test car this week. But the Fit is more than just plucky handling and a great 6-speed manual transmission. It's also surprisingly roomy, and more pleasant than ever on the highway.